Welcome to Kynection. This guide will help managers navigate our platform. We recommend watching the introductory presentation before accessing the training materials, as it offers essential insights and lays the groundwork for your learning. Access is determined by user type, role configuration, and permissions. Each module features specific settings that enable you to customize access beyond the standard role configurations, allowing you to tailor access levels to meet your business needs effectively. After signing in, you will see the home dashboard. The top banner serves as the toolbar for your Kynection needs, displaying relevant options based on the task. Click the logo on the left to return to the dashboard at any time, while the right side features icons for your account settings. The modules presented on this page are customized based on user access. Click on any module to get started. To the left of the modules, you will find convenient links to your favorites and recent activities. To add items to your favorites list on the home screen, select favorites from the left-hand pane. Browse through the displayed list and choose the items you wish to add to create your personalized favorites list. Toolbar options are positioned to the left of the search bar. A list of commonly used icons and their respective functions is displayed here for reference. Use the column headers and tables to filter and sort data. Click a header to filter, or click the arrow icon next to the header to sort. You can apply filters across multiple columns for more precise results. The filter function allows you to select either a single result or multiple results at once. To view a single result, click the desired item. To select multiple results, check the corresponding boxes and click Apply to finalize your selection. Columns containing filtered data are easily identifiable because their headings are highlighted in blue. To remove a filter, click the column heading and select Clear from the bottom of the Filter drop-down menu. Alternatively, right-click the column header to remove the filter. Kynection's one company, one system approach interconnects data across different modules. Consequently, deleting data may inadvertently affect other areas of the business. We recommend using the archive function instead of deleting records to preserve data links. Forms are set to archive automatically after 3 months and can be restored at any stage.